When you first encounter Ichijoji House, you're not just looking at a renovation, you're witnessing a conversation between the past and the present. Nestled in the quiet suburbs of Kyoto, this former post-war row house was originally built in 1961 and had stood largely untouched for over half a century. While most renovations today erase the past with prefab systems, the architects at Atelier approached this project with deep respect for the home's original character, choosing instead to marry traditional Japanese craft with modern living needs. Step inside and you feel that intention immediately. The structural timber, once hidden, is now celebrated, some beams left exposed and elevated into sculptural features that give the interiors a sense of warmth and narrative. Traditional finishes like stained wallpaper, lacquered floorboards, and finely crafted joinery were not just preserved, but hand-finished by skilled artisans. It's a rare example of renovation where every surface tells a story of craft and care. Perhaps the most striking gesture in Ichijoji House is the way the program of the home has been rethought. Where many homes might leave the original layout in place, Atelier inverted the spatial hierarchy. The living, kitchen, and dining spaces now sit on the upper floor, opening up toward light and life, while the ground floor becomes a private sanctuary. This not only enhances the flow of daily use but shifts the way one inhabits the space. This rearrangement creates fascinating spatial sequences. The living area feels layered and dynamic, not a single flat plane, but a series of interconnected volumes layered with sliding timber doors and delicate paper screens that open toward a small screened courtyard. It's an interior that breathes, where indoor and outdoor worlds gently interlace, and where each shift in plane changes your experience of light and depth. Downstairs, what was once a ground-floor kitchen becomes a traditional tatami room. Here, handmade wallpaper, shoji screens, and tatami mats immerse this intimate bedroom in an aesthetic that feels both humble and richly textured. Adjacent new spaces, a bathroom and toilet thoughtfully added through a rear extension, are simple in form but vibrant in detail, with lacquered wallpapers punctuating the serene neutrality of the home's core living areas. Complementing the architecture, bespoke furniture pieces were crafted to sit comfortably within the space. Oak cabinetry paired with a copper worktop in the kitchen offers a utilitarian beauty, while a fixed oak dining table seems to float, supported subtly by the structure itself. Even the timber ladder that leads to a loft becomes more than a means of access, it's an invitation to touch, to explore, and to connect with the tactility of every material and moment in this layered home.